You may be wondering how content creators make their money on YouTube. Some of it is from AdSense. Once you're part of the partner program, you can actually put ads on your videos, whatnot. But there's also a few ways, and one way in particular we're going to go into example about right in this video, and that is merch. Yeah, this is actually a hoodie from my merch store. I'll put a link in the description below. But you can actually start a merch store yourself. In the description below, I'll also put a list of a few merch stores that you can actually start for free, and all of these stores are print on demand, meaning that you just give them an image or put an image on stuff like your brand maybe, or a few things, and then they actually print it out and send it to people and whatnot. And while this is a little bit easier to advertise if you're part of the YouTube partner program because they let you have access to a merch shelf and whatnot, it's still very, very possible to advertise it yourself. You can direct people to links in the description below. You can send your link to friends. You can do Twitter or Twitch related giveaways or whatnot. There's a number of things you can do. Merch is a way for you to sort of support your community, they support you type thing, and then you can use that money from that you may get from merch sales to actually boost the quality of your videos on your channel and whatnot. It's an interesting way of getting monetized on YouTube. I say that because most people think of it from A to B to C and so on and so forth. Like, most people are like, oh, I'm going to get monetized, then I'm going to make a merch shelf and everything. But that doesn't have to be the order. It doesn't say anywhere that you can't make your own merch store right now. Get ahead of the game. That way you'll have time to see what people like and whatnot. Hopefully this has helped you decide if you should start a merch store or not, because I honestly think you should consider it. Once again, shameless plug, this hoodie, link in the description below. You can pick it up if you want. I know it's almost summertime and I'm advertising a hoodie. So